Picture a startup facing total bankruptcy. Now picture them running the modern tech world. Welcome to the Nvidia story.
So how exactly did a scrappy video game company become the undisputed engine of AI? Let's dive in.
It's 1993. Jensen Huang and his co-founders are crammed in a tiny office, dead broke, but dreaming huge.
Early failures literally pushed them to the brink. Honestly, a desperate lifeline from Sega barely kept the lights on.
Then, boom, 1999. They dropped the GeForce 256, inventing the world's very first GPU and changing gaming forever.
We just saw better video game graphics, right? But Jensen saw something way bigger, a general-purpose computing revolution.
That wild vision led to a massive gamble in 2006. Everyone else thought they were making a huge mistake.
They launched CUDA. It let GPUs process heavy scientific data, secretly building their absolute strongest competitive moat.
Despite intense pushback, they stuck to their guns, completely betting the house on the future of accelerated computing.
Fast forward to 2012, this was the exact spark that lit the massive fire of modern deep learning.
Researchers hooked up Nvidia GPUs to power AlexNet. Practically overnight, it turbocharged the birth of modern AI. Then ChatGPT drops in 2022. Suddenly, we're seeing an absolutely unprecedented global frenzy for AI chips.
Their A100 GPU instantly became the ultimate gold standard for training these massive generative AI models.
30 years of relentless hustle. A near-bankrupt gaming startup literally achieved total global market dominance. Wild, right?
Today, absolute titans like OpenAI, Microsoft, Google, Meta, and Amazon all run heavily on Nvidia's engines.
So they aren't just making graphics anymore. They're actually architecting the entire digital future we're heading towards.
We're talking massive expansions into AI infrastructure, robotics, self-driving cars, supercomputing, and giant cloud data centers.
What happens when the engine of AI builds the future? Honestly, this revolution is just getting started.